Hello everyone. In this section we're going to go a little bit more in depth with fundamentals and how they actually relate to stock prices and how it actually fluctuates based on these news articles and these catalysts that I mentioned earlier. So to begin, I wanted to highlight the live news feature on Thinkorswim again, but I want to show you this portion right here where you can actually sort by news by industry. So you can sift through here and look for tickers based on positive news that you find in these sectors. Also, I want you to watch the heat map. This is a good place to start to see where money is moving, where money is moving out of, and then going into this portion here and looking and seeing why is that reason, and to try and catch the move. So let's look at our charts here. So we have QQQ, which is NASDAQ, which is tech heavy. We have SPY, which is the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in the United States. We have VIX, the volatility index. So plotting the major support and resistances on VIX may show when the market may increase in volatility. So here we can see that we're approaching 20 in the SMA 200, so we might see a little short-term bounce, but ultimately the overall market sentiment may rule over this technical factors of VIX. We also have the dollar, we have the 10-year, and we have the bonds. So watching these all in tandem will help you gauge the direction of the market and where it may go ultimately. So I want to give an example of an earnings report and how that may affect the price action. So we have Procter & Gamble that actually just reported earnings, and you can see that on the daily that there was a lot of volume and also price movement based on these earnings. So anytime earnings come out is going to definitely increase volatility for the position or the stock. And it looks here that they actually had positive earnings, so you can see that they beat the estimate of 1.64, and this is reflected in a positive. But ultimately, playing earnings is a gamble, and options contracts are very sensitive when it comes to earnings fluctuations and IV crushes.